Then personally, what's the primary task you and your team hope to accomplish? I mean, what kind of data will you collect?
I think it would be the start of a probably longer term project, because it takes a stepwise process, starting at the first incident that we learned about. So the original group of cases in Wuhan, and really putting all the scientific information that has already been collected by our colleagues in China together, and discuss what does that tell us? Are there pieces of information that we would like to add? How could that be done?
Then some people have pointed fingers at China, blaming them for the spread of the virus. What do you think about, what do you feel about such claims?
I think that's unfortunate, because I think this is a global responsibility. We know, and WHO has warned about the risk of emerging diseases, and I don't think any country is immune to that. So I don't think this is about blaming. It's really about understanding and learning about that for the future of our global preparedness.
Recent reports say a study showed Italy potentially had COVID-19 cases months before it wound up in China. Other scientific studies also suggest the virus appeared in the US in mid-December 2019 and in France in late December. That's before or around the time the virus was officially identified in China. So does this indicate that the virus might have simply occurred in different places around the world at similar times?
So at this stage, I don't think we can rule anything out. We should rule anything out, but it is important to start at where sort of obviously in Wuhan a big outbreak occurred, and yes, we need to have an open mind to all sorts of hypotheses, and that's really what we've been asked to do. But starting in Wuhan, where of course we first learned about the situation.
Is it possible that the virus may have not occurred in the place we first found it?
That's very well possible. So it's possible an initial spillover happened close to where we saw the first cluster. It's also possible that was a super spreading event. We've seen that those are important part of how this virus spreads, and that the initial events happened elsewhere. And so yes, that's all possible.